Ahoy, shipmates! We are in the Dorset parish town of Shaftesbury today. Oh, what a lovely view we have here. It certainly reminds me of something in particular. I think I might go and grab myself a brown bread sandwich from that little cafe just there. Anyway, we're not here in Shaftesbury to munch away on Hovis. We're going to motorcycle up Zigzag Hill here, the twistiest road in Dorset. Up on the hills here, on the field. Appears to be an alien message from our alien overlords. Certainly detailed, this one. Probably the best crop circle we've had so far this season. It's quite large, if you can see the scale of this one. Goes across at least 4 tractor-tram lines. And each one consists of many smaller circles and a big swoop in the middle. Very impressive indeed. Not quite sure what they're telling us. Perhaps it's a new recipe for bread. Improved flavour. Well, perhaps a clever shipmate can decipher these messages. Hope you enjoyed that one, shipmates. Until next time.